Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Echo PAS 225. A lot of the 225s are the same, especially the carburetor. I'm going to show you a symptom of what a bad carburetor is like. It could be adjusted, try that, or if it needs to be replaced, replace it. I'm gonna be replacing this one, so I'm just gonna show you what the symptoms of a bad carburetor are like before we replace it. So those are the symptoms of bad carburetor. It's kind of stalling. You know, you can take the carburetor off and rebuild it, but you know, by the time you do that, your labor and time in it, it's best off just to replace it. So next we'll be replacing the carburetor. Stay tuned. First thing first, before you go to this parts store to purchase all your parts, you want to check your fuel line, check your air filter, check your plug, you know, the old things, so that you want to make several trips back. So I already checked everything on here. The fuel lines and everything is fine. I am gonna, every time I replace the carburetor, I already replace the fuel filter. I don't care how good it looks. So I'll take you through the steps of doing that now. Cover the air filter. A lot of times right here on top, right here, you have this little cable right here. You want to just take that, push that back, turn that, let that come out, and then you can take this, loosen that nut up, and help that come off as well. I think it's a 10 millimeter, so let's see. Yeah, it is 10 millimeters, so you don't have to loosen up much, just to get it off. So next, you want to just kind of tilt it back to the side. Go ahead and pull both your screws out. Right here, you want to pull your lines off. Sometimes the lines might be kind of stuck on. Just want to kind of be gentle with them. Just take a little flathead screwdriver. It helps you a little bit. Get it up off of there. You want to inspect your gasket right here. On this one, the gasket looks fine, so we don't have to worry about it. We'll just put the carburetor on now. This is your new carburetor right here. This carburetor was about 70 bucks. It's getting on up there, so stick your lines back on. Stick your cover back on. Make sure that you line those. I'm going to use my impact. Put it back on this time. Next, what you want to do is put your cable back on. All right. Make sure that's pretty tight. So you want to inspect to make sure it's down in the slot good. See, it wasn't even in the slot that good on this one, so I want you to just make sure that it's down in there. And there we go. Looks a whole lot better. You don't want to be in a rush on the small little tedious stuff like this. It's easy to forget something. I mean, I've been working on them for a while now, and I still would forget something. So just kind of take your time in doing it. See, it's not in there good, but a lot of times you can do, you can just take your throttle, kind of pull it, and it kind of, see, it clicks right back in place. Next, we're going to clean the filter. So we clean the filter here with some brake cleaner or something. It comes out looking like that. I think it's fairly pretty, still in decent shape. So we'll just put it back on. Sometimes you want to make sure it's still in there. And make sure you got that in the right spot. See what I'm saying? See, you still can make mistakes. So put that on there. Next thing you want to do, I already changed the filter in the tank and I put new gas in it, pull the filter out, change the filter on it, put some gas in it. Now let's see what it does. Prime it up. Choke it. That's it. The screw you saw me messing back right here at the back is called your idle screw. So it was kind of running just a little bit too high for me. So I took it and turned it down about a half turn. And it sounds great. Cranks right back up. First pull, I'm sure. And that's it. That's how you put a carburetor on a 225 Echo. Thanks for watching. What's up, guys? Me and my son decided to come out here and catch a little brim today. So what's up, Colin?
What's up? You see me fishing,
huh?
Right?
Let's see if you can get one in. Tie your line up some. See if I'm gonna get one in before you do. Tie your line up a little more. All right, just hold it right there. We out here fishing. Came down to a friend house of mine that I sold his house to him probably a few months ago. Just down here see if he can catch. We probably caught about, how many we caught, Colin?
3.
About 3?
Uh-huh.
He said we caught about 3.
He had got 3 too.
Okay, so we probably caught about 6 or 7, something like that. But we've been having a good time. So, oh, I got one.
Okay.
Oh,
That one.
yeah, video coming. Video me, Colin. Call it video me. Video me, get this one. Oh, oh.
You gotta get a fish.
Yeah, that's good inside. You see him on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's him, guys. Bram, I love him like that. So, caught that one, put it in the bucket. We'll be back at you. Tell me we'll be back, Colin.
You'll be back with you. Probably do another fishing video. I think it'll be tomorrow.
Tomorrow, we ain't come fishing tomorrow, but anyway, we'll be back. Colin finally caught him a big one, baby. We get ready to go. Caught him a nice little brim. Let's see. Hold him up, Colin. That's some good grease frying brim.
Yeah, we're gonna kill that one first.
All right, so that's it, guys. We'll see y'all next time.